hang if you want to look up sharpener. Then you spray while it's running. Then you open it up, close it, and then you hit it with some. If you don't have an air compressor, compress air. Now your clipper is clean. That's just my personal opinion. I don't know. Everybody do something different. But go sub, show some love, share this, tell your barber you found someone else and you're about to go see him. Like this, I don't know how this is still working. This is a POS, but I've taken it apart, reassembled it. I am its owner. I am its daddy. I keep this thing working like an immigrant cooker. Only other thing you can do besides this, just take it apart. And I don't want to take it apart. I'm gonna buy an air compressor, but I gotta get one that doesn't have any moisture in it. They save your tools, bro. Oh look, this is nasty.
If you love to travel, Capital One has a rewards credit card that opens up a
Scrub it.
world of possibilities. With Venture X, you earn unlimited double miles on everything you buy.
Also, it's okay to take your clippers apart and switch blades with other clippers every few weeks. Because like, even with the air compressor, you can't get all the dirt out. It's just impossible. You gotta take it apart. A lot of barbers don't ever take their stuff home. They don't take it apart. I know dudes that'll just buy new clippers instead of work on the ones they got. Well, I do like the cold air. It's like ice cold, baby. I love that.
Where we live, work, and play. Together, we can be a beautiful team.
But yeah, go do me a solid, man. Go subscribe.
Play hard, but fair. I'll stay physically and mentally fit. I'll play with any.
Well, I'm gonna take a little break. You need a haircut? Hit me up.
You're watching NBA Action. Jaylen Brown of the Boston Celtics is a four-time All-Star and an NBA
finals most valuable player on the floor. And a social